Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Rob here. Welcome to today's video. Welcome to another video on the dividend investing case study. And I'm inside my portfolio here today, guys. And I just want to give you guys a quick little update. I don't have any stocks in the buying today, and I'm not selling any today. I'm just doing a quick little update on the stock market. And as of right now, I am doing this video. It's a Monday evening on Labor Day. Obviously, everything's closed right now as a holiday. So I just want to wish you guys a happy holiday. I hope you guys are, spending your time with your family and whatnot. And today I'm just going to be giving you guys a quick little update since there's nothing we can really do until markets open and whatnot. Over the next couple days, I'm going to be buying more stocks. And over the next couple days, I'm also going to be uploading more videos to this channel. So one thing I want you guys to just let me kind of know in the comment section is I'm going to be trying to publish more videos on a regular basis and just do more update videos and just show you guys what stocks I'm buying, give you guys updates and whatnot. And I'm going to be doing more shorter, kind of more frequent updates as I go, instead of doing like the big long updates once a week kind of thing. And so just let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you guys want to see more frequent videos like that, just let me know. But I'll do like these little mini updates and talk about this. And it's kind of interesting because, the past couple days have been pretty crazy for the stock market. We'll go over the portfolio really quickly here. As you guys can see with my dividend stocks here in Wealthsimple Trade. Over the past day, we are down $35, and you can see here that it's been, pretty down for the most part in the past day. Pretty big drop. It's tried to go up, but it's still going down. And over the past week, you guys can see here that we've had a nice little drop, and things haven't really recovered too much yet. And in fact, if you go to my actual REIT account here, here in my personal account, I have my real estate stocks. You can see that they're actually down negative almost 2% from last month. So REITs took a pretty big hit, and they're kind of on their way down too, and nothing's recovering just quite yet. But that's okay, because basically all this means is that we can buy stocks at a nice discounted price. And just kind of think about, when March, when the stock market dropped and everything was super cheap, it presented an opportunity for many people to buy stocks at a nice, cheap price. And things went up pretty quickly. So anybody who invested during the time period had, you got a nice return, even if it was just kind of shortly lived. So that could happen again. So now is a good opportunity. Like, remember, whenever stocks drop, kind of thing, now is the time to kind of collect your spare change, if you will, and stuff like that, and start putting in the stocks, because it's going to grow over time and really make a big difference. So just want to give you guys a quick little update on the portfolio, but obviously most of the stocks are down quite a bit, and so are my Canadian dividend and my Canadian REIT stocks. And in terms of dividends, we haven't had many dividends coming over the past little while. Just go here really quickly and give you guys a quick little update over the past few days. And for September, we've had our dividend from Ambridge, which paid at the start of the month. This was $2.43. And then Fortis paid us a dividend of $1.43. ZRE paid us a dividend of $1.35. And then ZWC gave us a dividend of $1.21. And then HR gave us a dividend of $2. So the dividends are starting to rack up, and of course throughout the entire month we'll be getting more and more dividends. We'll be reinvesting those inside the portfolio. And one other thing I want to start doing on this channel is I want to start taking some of you guys' comments and actually answering them on video here, so we can make these videos, even though they're going to be short, quick little updates, maybe I can make them a little bit more informative, so you guys can get more value out of them. So I'm going to grab some comments here and let's answer some questions. Alright guys, so the first comment I got here was from Johnson Z on the channel, and thanks Johnson for leaving a comment here. And he says, nice video. What are your thoughts on the 0.5 management fee eating up your gains as your portfolio increases? And this question is about my Wealthsimple account, on Wealthsimple Invest. And if I just kind of move over here, this is actually my Wealthsimple Invest account here. So thanks Johnson for the question here. And this is an interesting question because, number one, I'm going to show you guys that because I started this portfolio way back in the day, I did a couple videos on another channel, I got some referrals. So as of right now, I have a lot of, because I referred 77 people, I actually have 730,000, almost $1 million from Wealthsimple managed on my portfolio for free. But that's not the point. I just wanted to point that out there. But if, like, let's just say if I was paying those fees kind of thing. And by the way, if you guys do want to use my referral link, there is a referral link in the descriptions video. But if you guys did have the fee, it's an interesting thing because the fees can add up over time, and even though 0.5% is a very low fee, generally speaking, you got to remember that you also have ETF fees inside your portfolio as well. So those fees can kind of add up. But the thing about robo-advisors is, in conjunction to some other major like mutual funds and some different banks, some of the fees for those things can range up to like 1 to 2%. and traditionally they're quite high. So when you look at it like a robo-advisor with a fee of like 0.5, yes, it's not ideal, but it's a heck of a lot better. And over time, that does add up. Like, for example, let's just kind of do some math here. If we have a portfolio of about $50,000, if I go 0.5% in Google of $50,000, you guys can actually see that, whoops, I didn't actually put that in right, 0.5% of $50,000. You'll see here that it's actually $250. So over the course of a whole year with my current portfolio, if I was to pay fees, I would be paying $250, and that's a lot of money, and that really stacks over time. And if you go like per a monthly basis, that would be about $20 they'd be taking from my account. So yes, you know, it does add up, but for the people who don't want to put the time in, or you're just starting with investing, those fees are okay because your return overall is going to, you know, outpace that. So just for example, already right now, as you guys can see, like my return would already outpace that. So I just kind of want to point that out there. But like, obviously, if you can do this yourself, if you can do the trading yourself, if you're willing to learn it and you have the free time to do it, then yes, maybe using like a provider like Wealthsimple Trade where you don't have to pay a fee might be a better option. But if you guys are just getting started, or you don't have the time and you just want to keep things simple, I don't think that 0.5% is really that big of a deal. But once again, it just depends. And of course, obviously 0.5% of $1,000 is going to be different than 0.5% of six figures, like $100,000. So that's also something important to keep in mind, which is why I say if you're just getting started with investing, it's not really that big of a deal. Like you're paying pennies, maybe a couple bucks here and there, but once your portfolio does start to grow, you know, the money does start to add up. But even if you had like a portfolio of like $100,000, you'd only be paying $500 in fees a year. So you know, it does have its pros and cons. You just got to decide for yourself what is right for you. So I hope that answers your question, Johnson. Let's move on to one more question for the video, and then we're just going to wrap up this video for you guys. So the last question I want to do for this video before I kind of wrap this up, I just want to say that I did a poll on my channel, a community poll, where I actually had 121 of you guys vote on this poll, and I got some pretty mixed results. And in the end, I'm going to be honest, guys, I don't know if I'm actually going to do this, but I just wanted to throw out the idea of doing a cryptocurrency-based investing case study. And I know this was a little bit, you know, I usually do dividend stocks, and I will continue to do dividend stocks, and I will continue to do Canadian stocks as the main theme of this channel. But I was kind of pondering the idea, and I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I put it out there, and I wanted you guys to vote, and 66% of you guys voted on yes, and 34% of you guys voted on no. And as of right now, I don't actually have plans to do this yet, but in the future, the cryptocurrency case study might happen. So I just want to mention that as well in this video. But one of the comments I got on this was from Rack City HD, and he said crypto would be very interesting. Will you be doing a case study through Wealthsimple or another crypto broker? And here's the problem with doing a investing case study on cryptocurrencies is that I don't know how I would do it, because using Wealthsimple or another crypto broker, I'd probably have to use an exchange because it'd just be more better. And I've seen some issues with Wealthsimple, like for example, their crypto, you don't actually earn the crypto or own it. I know some people, there's some issues with that. So I think you'd have to use like a Poloniex or some type of exchange, right? But on top of that, I would probably have to dive into using maybe like some kind of platform to invest into and grow it. And it just kind of got really complicated. So I don't know if this is something I'm going to 100% do. Like maybe I'll buy some Bitcoin and I'll just do some updates on that at some point in time. Like maybe if there's enough interest in the videos, I'll do them. And once again, just let me know in the comments what you guys think about that, but we'll have to wait. Maybe I'll do like a couple videos and we'll see if you guys like them. But we'll see, we'll go from there kind of thing. But yeah, I will probably use like maybe Coinbase or something to get started, and then we'll buy some Bitcoin, start with that, and maybe just do really small amounts. I'm not going to go crazy with crypto and just keep things simple, but that, you know, we'll have to wait and see, and maybe we'll do that in the future, but I'm not too sure. But once again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I'll definitely look into maybe doing a crypto case study once I figure out kind of how I want to do it and figure out the very fine details and whatnot. And of course, one last thing I want to address before I end this video is that I know some of you guys have been using my link for Wealthsimple Trade, and I'm going to send their support an email about this, because I know some of you guys have said that you use my referral link and you put in $100 and you haven't gotten that $10 for using my sign up link. So I'm going to email support to see kind of maybe there's some issues, because I know some people have had some delays, and I've experienced some delays with that in the past. So if you guys have used my link, email support and let them know, and I'm going to do the same and see if maybe there's like an issue. I know they're running the contest, so maybe there's just a lot of people signing up, so that might be the big issue. But I'm definitely going to check with them and see if there's any issues, because I know a lot of you guys, as you guys can see here, there's a lot of people who use my link and they're just, they seem to be stuck in pending mode, right? All these different names, and thank you very much guys for doing it, but they seem to be kind of stuck and not working. So I'm going to send them a support. We're going to see what's going on. Maybe they have to be like manually reviewed or something. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to send them an email, and I'll have to follow up on you guys about this to see what the issue is. I'm not too sure. It could be like a business day thing, so maybe we have to wait till Tuesday, and that would kind of go with the idea that I think they might have to be manually confirmed. But you know, send an email to support, and I'll do the same as well. And hopefully we can get some of these referrals going through, and you guys can get that $10. And once again, I do apologize for that, and there is, I think, 7 days left in that contest if you guys want to sign up. And thank you everybody who have used my link. But other than that, guys, this is just a quick little update today. Once again, probably tomorrow I'm going to be doing, or the next day I'm going to do a video, and I'm going to be buying some stocks. But I just want to let you guys know how the portfolio is doing. So like usual, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you guys want more Canadian-based investing content. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for joining me here today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini update. Take care, guys, and I'll see you later.